welcome everyone. So we've got two triangles today in this question, and we are trying to find what additional piece of information given, other than two of the angles being equal, is going to make these triangles congruent. So the first thing we need to know is what makes a triangle congruent to another one. And the answer to this is they are the same size and shape. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this out a bit and see these marks mean the sides are equal, so that's kind of what we're looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and label those. So we're given B and E are the same, and C and F are the same. And A is not right because us having another angle is not going to make all the sides equal. They could have the same angles and not the same sides. So then we have B is the length of AB, but that is also not going to help us. But C is the correct answer because we are given the same side from both triangles, which means they're going to be equal. Because we're given two angles are the same, and also sides are the same as well. And yeah, if we're given A and B is like 3, we still don't know any of the other sides for the other triangle. So there's that, and then just redrawing this a bit. If we're given two of these sides are equal and two of the angles are equal, then we know it's gonna go ahead and be C. I'm just rewriting this. These are both 3, and then we have the same angles as well. We know these triangles are congruent. And that's it for this question. So your final answer is C.